Every letter has their own sound. I'm going to show you how knowing a letter's sound can help you learn and remember a sound a letter makes. These are some letters that's names also have the sound that they make. Let's go through this list. B, T, K, D, Z, J, P, B, A. And all these letters have the same thing in common. They all have their sound in their name. So let's take a closer look at this letter. What letter do you see?
P.
And what two sounds does P have?
P, E.
P, E. The name P says those two sounds. But what is the first sound you hear? Right. So P says it's sound. It's the first sound you hear when you say the name P. Let's look at another letter. What letter do you see?
J.
J. And what sound does J have in its name?
J. A.
J, A. Those are the two sounds that the letter J has. But what's the first sound you hear when you say J?
J.
J. Because J says J. Okay, and P says P. J says J. Okay, so if those two sound that way, what about letter
K.
K? What sounds do you hear in the letter K?
A.
K, A. Good job, Elliot. Nice job, Aaliyah. K, A are the two sounds that you hear. What's the first sound you hear, Elliot? So what sound do you think K makes if it's spelling a word? Right. What? Good job. So what letter is this?
T.
T.
E.
T, E. Aaliyah says T, E has two sounds. T, E. Do you agree with her, Elliot? Okay. Aaliyah, what's the first sound you hear? T, T. And so if T is spelling a word, what sound do you think it makes? T, T, T. So, P, J, 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 K, T, T, T. And then we're going to take a closer look at one more letter today. What letter do you see?
V.
V. What two sounds does V have, Aaliyah?
V. E.
V, E. And what's the first sound you hear?
V.
V, V, V. So what sound do you think V makes?
V. V.
V, V, V. Right. There's some more letters in our letter list that you guys have on your tables that has the same idea. The first sound you hear is the sound that it makes. So what letter do you see here?
Z.
Z. Z. Z. Z. And is it the first sound you hear? Z. Z.
Yes.
So do you think Z makes that sound?
Yes.
Yes, I think so too. Do the me toos if you think that Z goes Z, Z. Yes, me toos. Lots of me toos. Good job, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit trickier on you. We're gonna do a little review, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna use your marker boards, and I'm gonna want you guys to hold them up after I tell you the sound. I want you to write the letter. So the first sound is P, P, P. What letter says P? When you're ready, let me see it. Okay. What letter do you have, Elliot?
P.
P. Elliot, do you agree with him?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, go ahead and erase. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
The next sound is J, J, J. Which letter makes the sound J, J? Aaliyah, what letter do you have?
J.
Elliot, do you agree with her?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody disagree?
No. No.
No, I didn't hear anybody disagree. Okay, go ahead and erase. We have 3 more that we're going to do. What letter makes the sound K? All right. Who together? Why don't you guys say what letters you have? 1, 2, 3. K. K goes what? Good job. 2 more. The next sound I'm going to give you is T. 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 Which letter makes the sound T? T. All right. Aaliyah's ready. Elliot, are you ready?
Yes.
Which letter did you pick?
K.
I'm going to say it again. The sound is T, T, T.
T.
T. Okay, good job. It is T. T goes T, T, T. Elliot, Aaliyah, what letter did you have?
T.
T. Do you and Elliot have the same letter?
Yes.
Yes. So the letter was T. Let's say it together. T says T, T, T. Good job. So the next letter that we're going to look at is V. Whoops, never mind. That's not the sound we're going to use. I said that wrong. So the next sound we have is A, A, A. What letter says A, A?
As in apple.
Apple. I see 2 boards with an uppercase and a lowercase a, and that is correct. So now I'm going to pass around a piece of paper. These papers are numbered 1 through 5, and we're going to kind of just do what we just did, but these are going to get turned into me, and I'm going to look over them while you guys are at centers. So put on your board number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and leave enough space in between so that you can write a letter.
Can we do it down or does it have to be across?
Do it vertical. Put each number on the bottom. Make a line down. Vertical. Just to number 5. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Does everybody have it numbered? Okay, so the first, number 1, the sound is P, P. What letter makes that sound? Number 2, J, J, J. Number 3, K, K, K. Number 4, T, T, T. And number 5 is mm, mm, mm. All right, I will take your papers and you guys can go play. Thank you.